Remove these plastic clips that are scattered along the front of the cowl. From here, you can work the cowl out of the truck, but it does tend to catch on this air inlet. So if you want to make it easy on yourself, you can pop this inlet off by lifting up on it and kind of tilting it back towards the engine bay. And then just like that, it pops off. It's just held in there with some plastic tabs that keep pressure on it. So with that out of the way, the cowl lifts right up and we can take it out. Now we've got 4 screws here lined up along the inside of the grille that we've got to remove with a 10mm socket and a ratchet. From here, all we need to do is pull the grille straight out away from the truck, and we'll just kind of pop the corners on the sides and it should come free.